Hello everyone, this is Shruti and I'm from Vizag. So let's come to today's topic. And so today's topic is about variables and ternary operators. Variables, as we discussed in last class about programming language, uh, nothing but to take decisions, we use programming language. So take decisions, first we need to compare whether it is right or wrong, whether it is true or false. We need to store. So for storing purpose, we use variables. In variables, we store our data. For comparing, we use operators. And for it is also in today's class ternary operators. For take decisions, we use control statements, something like if else, like that. So let me come to today's topic. So let me show you first my code. So here you can see I created a component mark list. So in this component I created a table first. uh, you can see clearly in my task. So here you can see my project. There is a table. Some subjects are there. Some max marks is 100. So marks obtained, percentage, and result. These three are used. These three are controlled using programming language. Nothing but variables. Using variables, I stored this data. Using variables as I stored while with comparing I created this result like pass or fail. Like 35, above 35% it should be pass, below 35% it should be fail. So that is taking decisions, that is control statements. So comparing that, the use for comparing purpose I use ternary operator. So that is let me show you in my code. So here you can see this let. So here we use two types of variable. There are three types of variable. One is var, let, and constant. So var is very old. So here we use let and constant. Let is the latest one. So in let variable, the in let variable, the data can be changed. Okay, so data can be changed. Like if I give in this English marks, if I give it 20, so it can be changed again if I want to change to 25. But if I use constant, the data will be constant. It will, if I give data as English marks as 20 and again I want to change, it will not change. It will throw error. So constant is, once we created a variable using constant, then it will be constant, it will not be changed. But if create a variable using let, then it will can be changed. So here I created a variable named English marks. So English marks, here I used English marks as props. Here you can see in app.js we used using props. We created name, English marks, Hindi, and all of these marks so that we can change whenever we want and whatever we want. We can give differently to each day in each person. So here I used props, but inside anything inside double quotes in React JS, it is known as string. It will take a string. So anything you write in inside double quotes, it will take a string. So if I give props.english marks, it will go directly to your app.just file. Here name, in this name prop, and it will go what is in the name prop. The here it is Ramesh Kumar. The property is here Ramesh Kumar. So it is a string because it is inside the double quote. So if so, like this, this is a number. So English marks and Hindi marks. If I write 99 plus, like English marks plus Hindi marks, it will take 99 plus 25. It will not add up. It will just join like 99,925 because it is inside the double quotes and it will take as a string, not as a number. But if I tell to this props that it should be number, then it will take as number, and then if I plus that, it will add up, not add up. So here using these variables, creating these variables, I stored all of the data in this a variable. So English mark, here you can see directly I gave English marks so that whatever I store in this variable, it will reflect here. Okay. So here you can see percentage like that only. English marks, whatever English marks I give, it will be stored here. It means it will be stored here. That storing that the data stored in English marks will be divided by 100 and multiplied by 100. After that it will give the result, and it result will be stored in English percentage, and it will reflect here. So here I wrote dot to fixed zero. So some percentages are here, you can see in my project. Percentage are like dot double. After decimal there are two numbers, so don't want any decimals. That's why I fixed it to zero, so there will be no decimals. If I fixed to fixed two, then after decimal only two numbers will be displayed. Like I can want we can fix any number like two numbers, three or four. Then after the numbers after the decimal, it will display either four or five, whatever we fix. So they this, and another is you can see here total marks. So for total marks I need to add up. So while adding up it will take a string. If I don't give as number, it will take string, then it will not add up, it will not add and give me result. It will just join those two numbers and give me result because it is in the string. So as I wrote here number, I told this props should be number, then so it is add up. And like English marks, Hindi marks, maths marks, general science and social science marks will be add up, and the final result will be stored in total marks. So here I wrote total marks, so here it will be stored in this total marks, you can see here. So that, so next we come to this operators. Here we use ternary operators. So ternary operators is nothing but if conditions. Here you can say total percentage. So it will be total percentage taken, like whatever total percent is calculated, it will store here. So if the total percentage is greater than or equal to 35, it will give pass. It will throw pass statement, or either pass statement. If it is not greater than and equal to 35, if it is 34, 33, then it will throw fail statement. So this is ternary operator. This, so let me show you my project. Here you can see, here we give whatever marks we wanted, and this is a total using the that variable as I stored it. It reflected here. This is percentage calculated, and this is using if condition we wrote this pass and fail. It will directly show, as I said, if 99% it is more than 35, that's why it show pass. This is 25, so less than 35%, that's why it show fail. So these are the different students and different marks lists of different students. Thank you.